Welcome to another video on Acumatica, and today we want to take a look at some of the basic warehouse management functions, and then we'll have more videos that show the more in-depth transactions such as put away, receiving and put away, and the pick, pack, ship, and physical inventory counts. But today what I want to do is take a look at just the inquiry and basic transfer type steps. We're going to start in the Acumatica app here, and we're going to show you that we've got this inventory item 11224, and in bin R1S1, inventory location R1S1, there are 5,000 on hand and available, and on the right side of the screen you can see the Acumatica app. In case you are going through the warehouse and you want to see what's in a bin, I'm going to tap on the storage lookup, and you'll notice it opens up the screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and pick R2S2, and it says that it's been selected, and then I'm tapping the review button on the bottom, and you can see that it has some 11223 in it, 500 feet, and some black dye. So that's the storage lookup, just if you want to know what's in a bin. Now, if we want to find out where an item is, then we'll go ahead and we'll scan the barcode of the item. Again, 11224. And when we click review, now it shows you on the screen that row 1, shelf 1, 5,000, just like we see over here on the desktop. So that's the item lookup and the storage lookup. Now, if we want to do a transfer, transfer between bins inside the warehouse, this is where I'm going to click on the scan and transfer. And I'm going to start with bin R1S1. And then it asks me, if you'll notice, to scan the destination location. So where are we shipping it to? And we're going to transfer this to R2S2. And now which item do we want to transfer? And we're going to do the 11224. And by default, Acumatica is going to add 1 to the transfer, 1 of the base unit of measure. And so to bring this up to the quantity that you're transferring, if you set quantity and then use the keypad, and we're going to transfer 500 and then save this, and then Acumatica gives you the opportunity then to review it. We're going to go ahead and release this. And as we click back over here on the inventory summary, you'll notice that now of the 11224, 500 are now in bin R2S2. So that's some of the basic functionality in the Acumatica warehouse management system and using the mobile app to conduct the transactions. I do hope that this has been helpful, and join me for more videos when you have time.